Cute Kids TV.
Have you ever wondered what it's like to swim beside a great white shark? Or hide quietly like a dragon waiting for dinner to walk by? What if you could explore the jungle, dive under rivers, and even sneak through the shadows, all in one adventure? Welcome to Cute Kids TV, where every episode is your passport to meet the most amazing animals on Earth. Let's take a closer look at 5 fascinating creatures today, from the deep ocean to the dusty desert. So sit back, open your eyes wide, and get ready to explore. In the vast blue ocean glides one of nature's most powerful fish, the great white shark. With a long, sleek body and a tail built for speed, this shark can race through water like a torpedo. Its nose can detect the scent of prey from miles away, and its jaw, packed with over 300 razor-sharp teeth, perfect for slicing through fish, sea lions, and even dolphins. Though often feared, great white sharks don't usually attack humans. In fact, it's humans who pose the greater danger. Hunting sharks for their fins and teeth. Graceful, strong, and built for the chase, the great white shark is truly the king of cool waters. On the sun-baked islands of Indonesia lives a creature that looks like it walks straight out of a fairy tale. The Komodo dragon. It's not a fire breather, but it is the largest lizard in the world, stretching up to 3 meters long and weighing over 140 kilograms. Komodo dragons are patient hunters. They hide in forests and grasslands, still as stone, waiting. Then, with surprising speed, they strike. Their jaws open wide, their teeth slice like knives, and they feast on snakes, monkeys, goats, even deer. Their yellow forked tongues flick like flames, helping them sniff out food from. Deep in the rivers and swamps of Africa lives a beast from the age of dinosaurs. The Nile crocodile. Its body, armored and scaly, slips silently through water. With over 60 strong teeth, it doesn't chew, it bites and swallows. Fish, turtles, even zebras and hippos are on the menu. But there's more to this powerful reptile. While most reptiles abandon their eggs, Nile crocodiles guard theirs fiercely. Using strong tails and clever eyes that peek above water, these crocodiles are not just hunters, they are protectors. Dangerous, yes, but also deeply devoted to their young. In the wild deserts and prairies of the Americas slithers a silent shadow, the rattlesnake. This reptile's body is built for stealth. Its tongue, shaped like a fork, can smell prey from afar, and its rattle, it's a built-in alarm, a shaking sound that says, "Stay back." Rattlesnakes feed on rabbits, mice, and other small animals. Once they strike with their venomous fangs, the prey is paralyzed and swallowed whole. As they grow, they shed their old skin, leaving it behind like a ghostly cloak. Mysterious, elegant, and built for survival, that's the rattlesnake. In the corners of rocks, under logs, or in dark basements, hides a spider with a deadly reputation. The black widow. With her shiny black body and red hourglass mark, she weaves sticky, strong webs to trap her prey. Flies, beetles, grasshoppers, they're no match for her silken trap. Though feared, black widow spiders are shy. They rarely bite unless threatened, but their venom is powerful, enough to make humans quite sick. They remind us that even the tiniest creatures can be mighty. From the deep blue sea to sizzling deserts, shadowy forests to cozy basements, the animal kingdom is full of wonders. Each creature has a story, each life is wild, clever, and surprising. Want to meet more amazing animals? Then don't forget to subscribe to Cute Kids TV. Every week we bring you exciting new adventures with creatures big and small, fierce and funny, creepy and cuddly. Hit that like button, comment your favorite